Alright guys, we're on the highway right now. We're getting really close. Here it is, 599.9. Hello and welcome back to Gearhead 704. This is Matt. I know it's been a little while since I posted a video. Had a lot going on, but I wanted to give you guys an update. As you can hear, we're out in the Mustang today. We're getting really close to that 600-mile mark. In fact, I'm pretty sure we're going to hit it on this trip. We're headed to Extreme Mustangs again. If you remember from the very first video I posted about my car, we're going to that shop. It's a speed shop I use. They do a great job. So we're heading there. Why are we heading there? Well, for a few reasons. One, the motor is about broke in, so I can adjust the clutch now. The clutch has been a little loose. The reason for that is the new transmission I put in. I had that plus the motor rebuilt, and we didn't want to tighten the clutch all the way down while we were breaking it in. Now, what I mean by it's a little loose is it just needs an adjustment. So at idle, when you're just sitting there at idle, you can hear the clutch rattling a little bit. If you push the clutch in, the rattle goes away. So I'm going to get that adjusted. Also, the motor, since it's broken, it needs an oil change. So going to have that, go ahead and have that done there. And also we're going to tweak the exhaust a little bit. I think I'm going to go back to, I've got a BBK high flow cat H pipe. I think I'm going to put that back on. So we'll see about that. Also, I have some new footage for you. You might have noticed in the intro. I hope you like that. If you enjoyed the intro of the video with the car and the exhaust, please hit a like on the video here. But yeah, today's the big moment. You know, finally broke the motor in. Future plans for the car, hard to say. Oh, I forgot the biggest reason we're going. Always something breaking on these cars, right? I mentioned that in a previous video. Well, this time I have an oil leak from the valve cover. Not the rear main seal, which I've already replaced. That was the last oil leak, but I've actually got an oil leak on the passenger side valve cover near the rear. At least I think that's where it's coming from. Scott at Extreme Mustangs is gonna check it out, see if that's the problem or not. So, gonna get the oil leak fixed. You know, I really would like to do a body kit on the car. So it's a GT, it's 89 GT, and you know they already had sort of an aero kit, right? Well, you can also, the one I really like is the 93 Cobra. It's a little bit different aero kit. The big thing I like about the 93s is the spoiler on the trunk. The 93 Cobra spoiler is really awesome. So I got that on my mind too. I also like the Cobra grill insert. I'm going to put a picture of what that looks like, what I'm talking about in my video right here. It's basically my favorite Cobra Mustang is one that American Muscle did, and it's actually convertible. So for those of you guys who don't know, 93 Cobra Mustangs never came to convertible, but American Muscle did a whole project on one. In fact, you know what, I'm going to link their project video down below. Not that they need more views, but it's just really cool, so I'm going to share that. I'll link that below. But anyway, let me put the picture of what that car looks like right here. So you can see it's definitely a different color. They call that vibrant red paint. I love that kind of paint color. It was a Cobra color, 93 Cobra color. And so I want to get my car painted the same way, but that's a lot of money. My car does need a paint job pretty bad, but maybe I'll go ahead and get the spoiler. I don't know. I'm really thinking about it. Anyway, we're going to head on to Extreme Mustangs now. So, and when we hit that 600 miles on the trip, I'm going to show it to you. It's a big moment for the channel. So, back at you in a bit. me 6 months to go ahead and get that done, but anyway, we made it. 600 miles, milestone. Motor broke in. Now we can really see what she's gonna do. Well guys, that's pretty much it. We got done dropping the car off over at Extreme Mustangs. Actually, I found another problem on the way too. The air conditioning is not working, and we checked that while we were at the shop real quick, and it looks like there's a leak in the compressor. So hey, another thing that goes wrong. So just a real quick summary, what we got going on. Gonna have the oil change because it's at 600 miles. Gonna have the air conditioning fixed. Gonna figure out what the leaky valve cover is, and actually I've got my old valve covers and those might have to go back on. We'll figure that out. And we're swapping back on the catted H pipe. So got 4 things going on. Anyway, just a quick update. Thanks for tuning in. If you like what you saw, hit the like button, and please subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704.